Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Telegram. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.